Ever wondered why some people seem to find the energy to hit the gym every day while others struggle to get off the couch? The answer lies in the power of motivation. Motivation, in essence, is the driving force that pushes us to stick to our fitness routines, to sweat it out day in and day out. It's the fuel that keeps the engine of fitness running. Each of us has a unique source of motivation. For some, it's about improving health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, or simply feeling better physically and mentally. Others may be motivated by the desire to look better, to fit into that dream dress, or to turn heads at the beach. And then there are those who are driven by performance goals, by the thrill of beating their personal best, of pushing their limits and challenging their boundaries. Remember, motivation is the spark that sets the fitness flame ablaze. So, what is your why? What makes you want to get up and move? Knowing the answer to these questions is crucial in your fitness journey. It's essential to identify your personal reasons for wanting to stay fit. Your why should be a powerful force, one strong enough to overcome the inertia of laziness or discomfort that we all too often find ourselves succumbing to. Maybe your why is about improving health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, or extending your lifespan. Perhaps it's about boosting your confidence, feeling good in your skin, or being able to keep up with your kids or grandkids. Or possibly you're driven by a specific fitness goal like running a marathon, hiking a mountain trail, or simply being able to do more push-ups than you could last month. Remember, a strong why is more than just a reason. It's your compass in the fitness journey. It guides you when the path gets tough. Are your fitness goals acting as stepping stones or stumbling blocks? This is a crucial question to ask yourself. Setting realistic and achievable fitness goals is key to maintaining motivation and making consistent progress. If your goals seem far-fetched or vague, it's easy to become frustrated and lose motivation. Consider setting SMART goals. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific means your goal is clear and well-defined. Measurable means you can track your progress. Achievable means the goal is within your ability to complete. Relevant means the goal aligns with your broader fitness objectives. Time-bound means you've set a deadline for achieving the goal. SMART goals transform your fitness journey from a vague aspiration into a clear, structured plan. They provide the stepping stones you need to move forward, rather than acting as stumbling blocks that halt your progress. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Set goals that challenge you, but don't overwhelm you. How do you keep the fitness flame burning? Well, the answer lies in a few practical strategies. Let's dive in, shall we? Firstly, consider finding a workout buddy. Nothing fuels motivation like a little friendly competition. Having someone to share your journey with can make those grueling workouts more enjoyable and even something to look forward to. Next, don't be afraid to mix things up. There's a whole world of workouts out there, from yoga to CrossFit and everything in between. Changing your routine can keep things fresh and exciting and prevent boredom from seeping in. Now let's talk about tracking progress. Seeing how far you've come can be a powerful motivator. Whether it's jotting down your daily workouts or taking progress photos, keeping a record of your journey can serve as a constant reminder of your hard work and dedication. Celebrating small victories is another key strategy. Did you manage to do one more rep than last time? That's a victory. Did you wake up early to work out even though you didn't feel like it? That's another victory. Remember, every little step counts. Lastly, let's not forget the power of positive affirmations. They can help you stay focused, boost your self-esteem, and foster a positive mindset. Start each day by telling yourself, I am capable, I am strong, I can do this. Staying motivated in fitness is about finding what works for you and sticking to it. So go forth, discover your groove, and keep that fitness flame burning bright. In the end, it's all about you. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've covered today. We've delved into the power of motivation and how crucial it is to identify your personal why. We've explored the importance of setting realistic goals and shared some strategies on how you can stay motivated on your fitness journey. Remember, your fitness journey is unique to you. Stay motivated, stay committed, and you'll reach your goals.